Hey everyone, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for an awesome time in our online course in learning how to be better professionals. My biggest takeaway from this course is being able to put the modules in order so that students can succinctly follow along with what it is that I need them to do in the class and how they can find their assignments. As before, I told you guys I use the KISS method, keep it super simple. And I've discovered that I can still keep it super simple and keep it the content clean and easy for students to follow. And I learned about accessibility and how to put closed captions on a recording if I chose to do that. So I really appreciate this class. I want to say thank you to Greg for always being a willing participant in helping me and to navigate through all the different things like learning the different tabs and things of that nature that I didn't use before in the Canvas now that I'm going to be using. I also appreciate all the comments and the feedback that everybody participated in because I learned a lot and I learned I wasn't alone in my journey and I learned about other people's extraordinary journeys. So I'm greatly appreciative of all the information that I was able to soak up while being involved in this class. May you all have happy holidays and please keep me posted on any future trainings. Thank you. Bye bye.